Hello, this is Tom Sillis, wetcrow.com, WETCROW. Topic of this video is carpet cleaning jobs USA start tomorrow. And legitimately, we need carpet cleaners. We actually turned off the services until we get enough, because we only had them in a couple cities where we were taking on jobs, and we have a carpet cleaner that he's got 17. He's got 17. What do you call it? He's got 17 trucks now. When I started with him, he only had one truck. So it goes to show you the possibilities. I don't know what that is in my eye there. I must have scratched it somehow. It happens. Stuff happens. I'm looking like an old man now, like a 70-year-old. I'm 70 years old and I look 70. All right, but anyway, yeah, we have a dire need for carpet cleaners across the U.S. We have them in the database, but we're in the process of contacting them. You may be one of them. You'll be called soon by our thing. And we're not salespeople calling you to sell you something. So please answer when it's Wet Crow. Jump right on it. We'll keep you busy, and that's the whole idea. You don't have to hunt for leads anymore and advertise and spend all this money on useless advertising. You can come to us. We charge 20% commission on the total. So if you need to make more, just mark it up by 1.25. They'll give you 20%. And our customers are willing to pay, so they don't question the price that much. They don't go after those $99 special, because they know that's all a bogus thing anyway. They're gonna, they're used to stainless steamers screwing them and charging them more than double. I went with stainless steel one day, $450 it was going to cost me, ended up costing me $2,000. How did that happen? Beats telling me, because they don't include the chemicals. We include everything. We tell you what's included. There's no surprise when you get there. Everything is done. You're going to get your stuff. It's going to be Scotch guarded if you want. It's going to be clean. We're not going to add on all these bogus charges like stainless steamer does. I hate to say that's a sham outfit, and I don't like them. And I got screwed two times with them, and I'll never go back to them again. I use Sunshine Cleaning in Waterbury, Connecticut is the best. They're like the best guys out there. They're honest. They tell you what's going to cost you. If they tell you on the phone it's going to cost you $450, it's going to cost you that when you get there. Not one penny more. Okay. That's why I like them. So just keep that in mind. Another thing too, if you're, make sure you're honest with the customers and all that. I think you guys know that. I mean, we only deal with reputable companies. We do train you on how to sell things, so you don't. We want the customer to be happy. We want them to come back to you. If I get screwed by you, you think I'm going to call you back? Hell no. I'll go after the $99 special and take my chance, and then I'll tell them I want the $99 special. That's all I want, and that's it. So I usually don't clean my couches ever. I mean, I do that only when I put them in storage, and I'm out. When I had them in storage, that's the only time I ever used carpet cleaning. And when I sold the house, I was trying to, but that didn't work. I had two carpet cleaners come. Nobody could fix the carpet. Finally, I sold the house as is, and somebody bought it, and they replaced everything. They put wood floors in. They got rid of the carpet. I don't like carpet anyway, but some people like it. So that's a personal feeling. Anyway, please like the video. Please subscribe, and we'll get you on board as quick as we can. We try to get you on board like the next day. So just bear with us. We are getting very busy now. So. We have a lot of business coming in, so we're a little behind on onboarding, and we're also a little behind on getting appointments made, because the fact there's not enough of you working for us. So, yeah, so join us. We're going to be starting in about 4 weeks, just so you know. It's not going to be immediate. You're not going to see the business immediately. Once we turn that on, you're going to get immediate flow right away, so you'll be busy. So thank you very much. Looking forward to having you on board. Thank you.